We'll play it.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, thank you for hitting that. That would have been so out.
Oh, what a fucking serve.
Right at his feet. Pump it back up. Give it to him. Oh, it's in. Got it, though. Oh, my gosh. Left corner. Oh, yeah, got him. Ow, ow, ow.
Shit. Oh,
That's heat. Oh, good ball. Oh, yeah. Oh, that had some heat on it. Oh, I tried to put spin on it. Get it over. Woo! Crush that thing on him.
I ain't seen a beating like that since somebody stuck a banana in my pants and turned the monkey loose.
Still 1-0. Yep. Oh, hey. Hey.
Are you a chill guy? Or what are you doing?
Stop him!
Hey! Still!
They don't even clip on.
They better fucking...
Hey!
Go to the hit!
Hold it! Almost crushed my ass!
Just put it in hard!
They don't even fucking clip on.
Yeah, just lay.
Hold up.
Yeah, go around the ball.
Let's go to the ball.
Go around the ball.
Yeah, the whole bed's gonna come off.
No.
No, just go around and then hook it to itself.
And then hook this to itself down here. Professional equipment manager over here.
Yes, sir. I did this before, but my truck had the actual clips.
Yeah, the actual one, not the
This
one
is like
that's
900 or something.
bumper up.
Chains onto?
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, you're good.
Hey,
You
film that. Just in case. Keep it a little low. Yo, I'm on behind the truck. I'm gonna roll it till it's tensioned and then go. Here,
Yeah, there you go.
Take it down there, turn around, and park it right back where it is.
Watch out, guys.
Hit it from here. Just hit it from here.
Go.
Beat it.
Hit it from here. You're
To
good.
the floor.
You're good. Drop the clutch.
It's a fucking automatic. Get the fucking.
Park drop it. Neutral drop it.
Y'all gonna go on.
One wheel wonder.
Oh, yeah.
That's fucking.
Exactly. Stand in the middle.
Hey, it's a compliment.
So, by any chance, does anyone have insurance over here?
Hey, I'm.
I got them.
Look at the Tim Bobs.
Now let's go hit the mud at the bonfire spot again.
Yeah, right.
What is a super polish? High pressure stuff.
You look like a fish. Excuse me?
Oh, look at all that soap.
Excuse me?
I should have used that. Oh,
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Excuse me? Working at the car wash, yeah. Working at the car wash.
Why did he do that?
Me and Annika are rolling up to some rentals. We're thinking about buying like an investment property. So these clips coming up are just properties that we've been looking at in the area where we live, and we'll kind of give you a look at what we're looking at. Good. So this one's 190 that we're looking at. Kind of crazy how much they're asking for this place. We've got this den thing here, and then this is in bathroom, and then back bedroom with a little view, closet. Floor feels a little wish-washy, but like this island, I don't get this. If you look at like bend down, you can see out there. I don't get it. It's interesting. So we're on to number 2. Okay, so this is the third one. It's a lot nicer. We don't know what this is. It's like painted, but like it's strange, very strange. Not bad though. The bathroom's actually really nice. Nice little remodel, way better than the last one. And then this is the little bedroom off the back here, and then a view of the, you know, where you can park and all that. So not bad though. I mean, this one's definitely the best.